Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to make a simple, clean presentation in Google Slides. This guide is for beginners, so I will walk you through each step from opening slides to sharing your final file. Follow along and pause if you need time to try something yourself. First, open your web browser and go to Google Slides. Make sure you are signed into your Google account. If you do not have one, create a free Google account first. To start a new presentation, click the blank option or pick a template from the gallery if you want a ready-made look. Once your file opens, click the title in the top left where it says Untitled Presentation and type a descriptive name for your project. Google Slides saves your work automatically, so there is no save button to worry about. Naming your file early makes it easier to find later. Next, choose a theme to give your slides a consistent style. Click Theme in the upper bar or scroll through the options and click the one you like. A theme sets fonts, colors, and backgrounds for the whole presentation, which helps everything look professional without extra effort. To add slides, use the big plus button at the top of the screen. To change a slide's layout, select the slide on the left and go to Slide, then Apply Layout. Pick a layout that fits the content like title and body or title only. This keeps your slides organized. Click inside the text box to add or edit text. Select text to change the font, size, or basic formatting like bold, italic, underline, and color using the toolbar. Keep headings short and use simple bullets or short lines for body text so your audience can read easily. Add visuals from the Insert menu to make your presentation stronger. You can upload images from your computer, search the web, or use files from Google Drive. Insert text boxes if you need text outside the default areas. Use shapes, tables, charts, and diagrams to show information visually. After you add an object, drag its corners to resize it and move it by clicking and dragging. If objects overlap, select the object and go to Arrange, then order to bring it forward or send it backward. Use this to layer images and text in the order that looks best. Don't make it messy like mine. If you want simple motion, add transitions or animations. Select a slide, go to Slide, then Transition, and try a style in the motion sidebar. Like I select Fade, hit play to test. You can also adjust the speed here. If you like, apply it to all slides. For individual objects, select the object. Choose Insert then Animation, or use the motion sidebar to set how and when items appear. Like I choose Fly from left on click for image object. Let's test it. Use animations sparingly and keep them consistent by applying the same effect to all slides if that fits your style. When you are ready to show your presentation, click the Slideshow button in the top right to open full screen and use the arrow keys to move between slides. Press Escape to exit presentation mode. For collaboration, click the blue Share button, add people by email, and choose Editor, Commenter, or Viewer. Or get a shareable link and change access from restricted to anyone with the link. That covers the basics you need to create a clear, professional presentation in Google Slides. Try each step as you go and keep your slides simple and focused.